Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone has power and you can navigate settings without interruptions. Open Settings and tap Wallpaper or Home Screen and Wallpaper. This path varies by Samsung model but gets you to the same control. Once there, identify whether the wallpaper is applied to the home screen, lock screen, or both. This matters because you'll remove each one separately. Make sure to tap the correct preview so you don't remove the wrong image by accident. Now, touch the current wallpaper preview and choose Remove or select a replacement image. Removing directly clears it while replacing swaps it instantly. If you can't remove because a theme forces the wallpaper, open the Themes app, go to Wallpapers, and override or reset the active theme. For live or dynamic wallpapers, disable motion effects or set a static image first, because they sometimes resist removal. Once done, confirm both home. Finish by checking both home and lock screens to ensure the wallpaper is removed or replaced as intended. Swipe through pages and lock the phone to verify. If the old wallpaper reappears or changes don't save, restart the device first. This clears temporary glitches. Should issues continue, clear the Settings app cache or check for a system update, because outdated firmware or corrupted cache can prevent changes. If nothing fixes it, contact Samsung support after documenting steps you tried.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.